Hello, my name is Saib Dokor. I will be presenting Link Edge Telecommunications 3 to 5 year information security plan. Link Edge is a fictitious telecommunication company that offers internet, mobile phone services, voice services, and business communication services. Since I am presenting this plan from a business standpoint, the board of directors there will be more focus on risk, cost, compliance, reputation, and business impact instead of just technical security. Cybersecurity matters to Link Edge because Link Edge relies heavily on infrastructure such as core routers, switches, fiber, data center, and cloud platforms, remote access, and a network operations center that runs 24/7. If Link Edge were to suffer from ransomware, DDoS attacks, or insider threats, vendor compromises, or even natural disasters, Link Edge could impact service availability, reputation with customers, lose revenue, and become non compliant with industry regulations. Link Edge must utilize professional communication when discussing cybersecurity. This means all documents, policies, and reports should be professional. Link Edge can ensure professional communication by first considering their audience. Technical documentations for the board of directors should focus on business impact, financial risk, compliance, and reputation. Documentations for IT teams should focus on technical steps and instructions. Documentations for employees should focus on what they should do in clear and simple language. Link Edge should also use a thorough writing process by planning, drafting, reviewing, and editing documents before they're distributed. Cybersecurity documentations can also use design elements like heading, tables, bullet points, graphics, white space, and executive summaries to make them easier to read and navigate for different audiences. Year 1 should focus on developing Link Edge's cybersecurity baseline. Link Edge should conduct a risk assessment, identify critical assets, review current policies, measure cybersecurity maturity, and create a formal cybersecurity governance security structure. Critical assets include routers, switches, customer databases, cloud environments, firewalls, VPNs, and the network operations center. Threats to identified include ransomware, DDoS attacks, phishing, insider threats, third-party vendor compromise, and natural disasters. Year 2 should start implementing tactical cybersecurity improvements. Tactical improvements may include multi-factor authentication, next-generation firewalls, endpoint detection and response, intrusion detection and prevention, encryption, network segmentation, backups, DDoS protection, vulnerability scanning, patch management, and security information and event monitoring. Link Edge should prioritize these solutions because they support CIA objectives. MFA can help prevent compromised passwords from gaining access to internal systems. Network segmentations can help contain attacks if they occur. CIEM will help Link Edge detect attacks faster, and backups can help restore systems from ransomware or outages. Year 3 should focus on monitoring, compliance, incident response, and training. Monitoring, compliance, and improvement can include tabletop exercises, disaster recovery testing, security awareness training, internal audits, and metric tracking. Example of metrics to track are mean time to detect, mean time to respond, time to patch, phishing testing scores, incident response test scores, and internal audit findings. Year 4 and 5 should focus on improving long-term cybersecurity improvement and maturity. This could include zero trust architecture, security automation, cloud security posture management, vendor risk management, and annual cybersecurity maturity tests. Cybersecurity involves people across an entire organization. Cybersecurity is not just the response of IT. Link Edge's board of directors should provide cybersecurity oversight, ensuring that cybersecurity aligns with business goals. The CEO should ensure cybersecurity has buy-in at the executive level. The CIO should ensure that new systems support cybersecurity, while the CISO should lead the cybersecurity program and manage risks. Legal and compliance will ensure LinkEdge meets regulation, contracts, and privacy requirements. Risk management will help LinkEdge identify and analyze risk to business. Department heads should ensure employees follow cybersecurity policies, and employees should complete cybersecurity awareness training and report suspicious behavior. Third-party vendors should be involved because telecommunication companies use vendors such as cloud providers, software vendors, and infrastructure vendors. IT governance and cybersecurity frameworks play an important role in LinkEdge's plan. IT governance defines what team makes cybersecurity decisions, who approves policies and standards, who reports risk to the board, who monitors compliance, who manages vendors, who reports to incidents. Cybersecurity frameworks will help LinkEdge organize and build its cybersecurity program. LinkEdge should use NIST cybersecurity framework to identify, protect, detect, respond, recover, and govern their cybersecurity program. ISO will help LinkEdge build an information security management system and create documentation, controls, and policies. A strong cybersecurity program also requires technical people to identify and formulate and solve computer problems through professional communication. For instance, if LinkEdge noticed multiple failed login attempts against a remote access solution, a cybersecurity analysis can identify the issue by researching the alerts and reviewing authentication logs. They can formulate the issue by discovering this failure is due to user error, password spraying, or an incident actor. Finally, LinkEdge can solve this problem by enabling MFA, blocking suspicious IPs, forcing password resets, and reviewing access policies, and communicating what happened and business impacts to management. LinkEdge's Information Security Plan supports the company's mission and vision statements. LinkEdge's mission statement consists of providing safe, reliable, and continuous services to customers and businesses can communicate. LinkEdge vision to be trusted communication provider that allow customers to connect digitally. Cybersecurity helps support LinkEdge's mission and vision by keeping customer data safe and ensuring services are available, limiting outages and preventing attacks. Lastly, there is a distinction between policies, standards, guidelines, and procedures. Understanding the difference is important because your organization will use each one for cybersecurity governance. Policies state why something is required or prohibited and are typically approved by management. Standards define what is required and are typically mandatory. Procedures define how to perform and process in detailed steps. Guidelines provide recommended best practices. Then there is no standard or procedure that applies. LinkEdge may have policies that require users to authenticate before using LinkEdge's devices. LinkEdge may have a guideline that recommends remote workers use very strong passwords. In conclusion, cybersecurity is critical to LinkEdge because it relies on cybersecurity to provide services to customers. It is strategic because creating a 3 to 5 year information security plan allows LinkEdge to transition from reacting to cybersecurity incidents to preventing and managing them strategically. LinkEdge can reduce this by utilizing professional communication when creating cybersecurity documentation, using IT governance to define a cybersecurity team, using cybersecurity frameworks to build a cybersecurity program, identifying key roles that help support cybersecurity, using technical solutions to protect consumers, and implementing policies, procedures, standards, and guidelines to ensure employees follow cybersecurity best practices. Cybersecurity supports LinkEdge's mission and vision by keeping services available, protecting customers' data, and maintaining compliance with state regulations. Thank you for watching my LinkEdge telecommunication cybersecurity presentation.